Hey you guys, it's Taquisha from Ourfreedomsong. So I have the perfect cup of coffee, I have my basket, I have some shears, and I'm going to the garden. I'm going to be harvesting some long awaited peppers. Okay, so I know that when I spoke to you guys last, I told you that this video would be the greenhouse video, but I'm still waiting on some things to be shipped, and this is very much so. I just got distracted because I can't even believe, oh my goodness, these peas are huge. These peas are literally huge. I've never grown a pea. This is exciting stuff. That makes my heart so happy to see this beautiful row of peas. That was definitely a good distraction. So I know that I said last time that this video would be about the greenhouse, but like I was saying before I got interrupted by the beauty of the pea, I'm still waiting for some things to ship. I'm sure things are delayed, after the storm and all the things. And so I'm still very much so waiting on some things. I've wanted to make a tonic for a while now. And now is the time, like literally now is the time, because we have about, I don't really know, give or take 4 weeks, we have at least 4 weeks until our first frost, because my first frost is November the 5th. And so I definitely have enough time to gather all of my ingredients and let them marinate together in order to prepare for the cold and flu season. Thankfully, my family hasn't in the past, been very sick. Like, our kids aren't very sickly. But I do believe that I'm running on fumes though, because I have, just these last couple years, just in busyness, just really lost my focus. But I'm getting it back. I want my family to be healthy, and to put these things in our body that is going to help us fight against these various viruses and diseases and all the things. And so if we could just do something small that impacts our bodies in such a big way, I think it's worth the effort. I want to make the original, but I also want to make something that's going to be more palatable for my littles, because I have a couple of those little ones who don't like anything spicy in their mouth. And so I would like to make a couple different versions of this cider tonic. It's called some different stuff, but the most popular term is fire cider. Okay, so I am planning to use some things from the garden. I'm going to harvest some peppers, and I'm going to harvest some rosemary from the garden, and I'm going to be using that inside of this fire cider. I'm also going to be using some locally grown garlic and onions. So I received these things from Faith Family Homestead, and I'm going to be putting that inside of my cider as well. So as many things as I can find that's going to be locally grown, I definitely want to use those things. But I'm so excited. I'm going to go pick up the rest of the ingredients after I harvest from the garden, and then I'm going to put it together, and I'm just so looking forward to this. Like, this is the first time is it the first time? Maybe the second time. I can't really remember because it was that long ago, but I'm really excited about being a person who just has my own medicine. So anyway, let's get to harvesting these things. Now I'm going to go into the front of the house and harvest some of the peppers up there. I have lots of chilies to pick from up here. which is perfect. I'm so very happy to have figured out what to do with these peppers, like how to use them in a great way. I think that this is going to be perfect. Get some sprigs of this divine herb. I just am admiring how beautiful even picking peppers and rosemary is. It's just such a beautiful thing that we have this privilege of doing, growing things, you know? So this is what I have that I'm going to be using. I am going to go pick up some things from the store as well, just to add to what I already have here. I'm excited. Hey guys, so I just pulled up at Faith Family Homestead. I reached out to her and she said that she had peppers that were actually ready to be harvested, and so it's my lucky day. So I caught Dom over here. She is busy laying down this beautiful long. It looks so beautiful when it's just all nice.
No weeds.
Yes. Look at all these beautiful peppers that we just harvested. Come on, Dom. Tell us which is which.
So we have Santa Fe Grande, are these light ones right here. We have yellow pequeños. What else do we have? We have Serrano chili peppers.
And then these are those yummy ones.
Which one?
Put something with a P.
Oh yeah, the peppercini.
Yes.
Yeah. Was there another one in here?
This one.
Oh yeah, that
was
one
like
that we didn't know how to say, but
it's gonna make our fire cider taste so good and fiery. Yes. There it is. We have this whole basket full of all type of herbs, sage and summer savory. There's some thyme in here. I'm going to use some of these things to put in the fire cider. Now we're going to go over here to that garlic. It's not garlic. We're going to go over here to that ginger and see what we can find.
Why? I feel like it's
So I got so many good things in this basket. Now it's time to make some fire cider. So let's see what happens.
Yes. And this ginger smells delicious. It smells way better than like store-bought ginger. It's kind of like a sweet taste and almost makes me want to bite it almost. Just to taste it.
So a quick reminder of what I have. So I have garlic, onions. So I cut these onions up yesterday. Those are the ones that I got from Faith Family Homestead that she grew in her garden. This is ginger that I bought from the store. This is the fresh ginger that you saw us pick. I have oranges, lemon. This is the apple cider vinegar that I have. I got a couple of those from Walmart. I have the black peppercorns, the organic cinnamon, some lemon, some thyme, all these wonderful peppers, and the peppers that I picked this morning with the rosemary. I have turmeric, horseradish root. These are all the different herbs that I picked from Faith Family Homestead's herb garden, and we also has some dried echinacea. I am going to add this because the benefits of echinacea are so tremendous. Just the strength of the typical one with the fire cider is going to be nice and spicy, but I also want to make a version that will be more palatable for the kids, where it will be more soft. So more ginger and citrus and less spice. So I'm going to go ahead and jar these up. I put so many peppers in this last one. I'm going to call this the fireball. I'm going to go ahead and finish off these 4 with some apple cider vinegar, and we will have had barely any spice, medium spice to fireball. Okay, so lastly, I am going to be putting the lids on these. I do have some of these parchment papers that's already a circle. I don't have enough for all of them, but I'm going to use these and then cut some tops for the rest of them. So this needs to be placed in between the metal lid and the top of the jar so that it doesn't corrode. So we will shake this every day, a couple times a day, and just let it do its thing. Let it be great for the next 6 weeks. Okay, that is it. I have them all labeled. Going to be the orange blaze for the lighter one, the wildfire for the medium, and the fireball. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are encouraged by this. See you guys next time.